The right way to open meatloaf in can. What you need: meatloaf in can, and a can opener. Let me show you the easiest, fastest, and the right way to open a meatloaf in can. Watch this. Voila! See, it's easy.